What is up, you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, what is going on? So today is a new day. I'm actually getting ready for Hot Import Nights with DJ Creations today. Let's get it started. I'm actually just getting ready just now. Sorry, my phone was off earlier and I had to shut it off, save up my juice for Hot Import Nights, get pictures with the models and hot import cars for styles that are like Fast and Furious. So anyway, I'm just waiting for on DJ Creations before I meet up with them, and let's get it started, guys. What is up, you guys? We are here at Hot Import Nights. Not homeless. No, we actually made it to Import Nights today, so come check it out. We're actually here. Got my DJ Creations right here, and he's not really listening. You see? You see? This is what I go through.
It's gonna be in your vlog every time, no matter what vlog you do. You see me flip everyone off.
He is so rude, man. Jeez.
I'm done with you.
But anyways, you guys, we just made it here after grueling hours from bus to bus. Oh wait, sorry guys. Well, yeah, we're here, so. What is up, you guys? So we're actually here at a Hot Import Nights. We're actually kind of early.
Yeah, about like what was it, an hour early?
Yeah.
3:05 right now.
Yeah, it doesn't start until, actually it doesn't start until 4, so we're actually really early. And we went from bus to bus.
No, Bart.
Yeah, it's Bart and 2 buses. So
it's about roughly what's it, 2 hours and 33 minutes.
But the important part is, we're here!
Yeah, now we have an hour to go.
I might go to 7-Eleven.
Oh,
I just had to say that because DJ Creations is already irritated.
We're not walking back there. We're not walking
But
back.
it's all the way over, just over there.
It's down here.
Oh, man. But we might do, I don't know. My feet are killing me, but I don't feel like walking all the way over there.
Is it worth it, sir, with the models?
Yeah. But I'm gonna get some pictures with some models. I'm gonna show my gains, alright. And then I might get some pictures with some models.
Chick-fil-A's. I gotta check where Chick-fil-A is.
But yeah, you guys, but on that note, I'm just gonna wait until until they're actually open. So I'm actually gonna kind of cut it short right now and just wait until we get inside. So I'll see you guys later.
He's a liar.
What is up, you guys? All right, guys, that concludes it. 2019 Hot Import Nights car show. I don't have the video. However, I do have lots and lots of pictures, which I'll upload to my channel. What? Well, yeah. Anyway, that concludes it. Hope you guys enjoyed the pictures. Like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. My next video will be in San Diego. I will actually, this November 3rd, actually, me and DJ Creations are planning to go to San Diego. So this one will actually be a video blog, but for right now, I just had to go through a lot of drama through yesterday. Not from traveling, but um, just drama. I don't want to get into it. Anyway, like and subscribe down below if you like my pictures. Anyway, if you like my, well, by the time you see this, this will be the end of the video. So, alright guys, that concludes it. And I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Peace!